At first glance, TMolo stands out for one reason. It does not try to hide its history or its construction. It reveals it. Located in a rural area of Spain, this house is the result of the renovation and extension of a traditional agricultural building. The starting point was simple: an old masonry structure, a farmhouse that had completed its life cycle and needed to be transformed into a modern residence without losing its original identity. Instead of demolishing everything and starting over, the architects chose to work with what already existed. They preserved the main volumes of the original structure, respected the stone walls and the elements that defined the character of the place, and added only what was necessary to improve functionality, comfort, and the relationship with natural light. The result is a house that combines two timelines: traditional rural living and contemporary dwelling. The original stone structure remains, with its openings and solid material presence, now coexisting with new elements: board-formed exposed concrete, clean lines, open spaces, and transparencies that clearly connect interior and exterior. A defining feature of Casa TMolo is the use of exposed concrete with visible wooden formwork marks. This texture is not merely aesthetic, it establishes a clear contrast with the existing stone, distinguishing what is new from what is original. Rather than attempting to imitate the past, the new intervention asserts its presence discreetly without competing with the original volume. The internal organization was designed to balance spatial continuity and privacy. Social areas, such as the living room and kitchen, maintain direct connections to the outdoors, maximizing natural light and integrating daily life with gardens and exterior patios. Another important aspect is the relationship between the house and its terraces and outdoor spaces. In many instances, living areas extend into patios or exterior platforms. This strategy visually expands the interiors and creates a continuity that reflects rural living without abrupt separations between inside and outside. While part of the house maintains thick walls and smaller, punctuated windows typical of rural construction, other areas open completely toward the landscape. It feels as if two approaches to living, the historic and the contemporary, stand side by side in dialogue without conflict. Natural light plays a fundamental role throughout the house. The strategic placement of windows and openings allows light to move through the spaces with precision, enhancing the perception of openness without relying heavily on artificial lighting. In many rooms, light enters laterally and indirectly, creating subtle variations throughout the day and defining each space without the need for excessive physical separation. In more private areas, such as bedrooms and intimate spaces, The design ensures thermal comfort while maintaining a connection to the outdoors through carefully positioned openings. Externally, the combination of materials is both functional and expressive. The stone of the original structure provides thermal mass and solidity, while the new concrete introduces clarity and linear precision to the composition. Light, neutral surfaces reinforce a sense of formal clarity, while remaining in dialogue with the rural surroundings. Ultimately, Casa TMolo is not a building that seeks to impress through dramatic gestures. It is a house that solves real living needs: comfort, light, connection to the site, and logical spatial sequence. It does so through a very clear design strategy, preserving what deserves to remain, adding what is necessary, and ensuring that each intervention aligns with everyday life requirements. The result is a house that works, a house where spatial reading is straightforward, the connection to the outdoors is constant, and the experience of living there is shaped by deliberate design decisions, not unnecessary poetic excess.